Welcome to Adobe Max. Thank you for joining us.
Throughout history, creativity has been humanity's way of healing itself. Over and over, this cycle repeats itself. A period of despair spawns a creative rebirth.
It's been the year that has taught me the most about getting in touch with myself and my community.
It's kind of been like a roller coaster ride.
What I'm doing now is doing what I can with my unique skill set.
Your work has inspired the world during the times when we've needed it most. It's what motivates us at Adobe to keep innovating and inventing the future.
The roadmap ahead for Creative Cloud is designed with 3 goals in mind. First, to really enable connected creativity, where teams work together without version conflicts or bureaucracy, where any asset you need is always at your fingertips and up to date. Second, to unleash creative potential. Our teams across Creative Cloud are innovating to help you create in ways you have never dreamed of, that makes it possible for you to do with a few clicks what previously would have taken hours of intricate work. And third, to empower creative careers. Through our new Hire Me button, thousands of Behance members every week are getting new work and can now offer a subscription to their live streams and assets. Remember, this keynote is just the beginning. The Max team has curated sessions that you are going to love. And you do not want to miss Adobe Sneaks.
This is Project Morpheus.
Project On Point.
This is Project Artful Frames.
Finally, there's so much learning and inspiration available just at your fingertips.
Artists and musicians share the whole idea of bringing people together just by doing their art.
A blank canvas is one of the greatest things and the worst thing. It should intimidate you and it should inspire you.
None of my designs would be good if I was not willing to be vulnerable.
I'm very hopeful there's going to be this understanding to how to leverage these tools to really communicate in a way that's never been communicated before.
We are honored to be on this journey with you.